Here we see the fresh dough entering the extruder hopper. The powerful twin screws ensure a controlled and continuous flow toward the portioning mechanism.
The cutting blade slices the extruded stream into equal weight portions with remarkable precision. This ensures every product is uniform.
The raw chapatis are smoothly transferred from the pressing line onto the wire mesh oven belt, guided by alignment rails towards the baking tunnel.
Here, the precise temperature of the gas-fired tunnel oven ensures a perfect, even bake for every chapati. The linear gas burners provide the intense heat needed to perfectly puff the chapatis as they travel along the mesh belt.
Here, in the peak temperature zone, hundreds of chapatis inflate simultaneously, a crucial step in achieving the perfect texture.
As the chapati makes contact with the direct heat, the Maillard reaction begins, creating those perfect golden brown roasting spots.
After leaving the intense heat of the oven, the chapatis are moved to the cooling conveyor to ensure even temperature reduction before packaging.
As the chapatis leave the oven, the excess moisture turns to steam, beginning the cooling process. Ensuring the perfect texture, the chapati flexes slightly, showcasing its ideal softness and elasticity.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the system precisely adjusts the edges, ensuring perfect stack alignment for packaging.
The heated sealing jaws clamp down, creating an airtight weld around the fresh chapati stack.
The sealed chapati packets undergo a rigorous weight check and seal integrity inspection to ensure perfect portioning before distribution.
The dispatch team ensures the seamless transfer of goods from the production line to the outbound loading bays.